I think it's already decided. Like, Nigeria has to win this Jollof War. We're just here to just for formalities.
It's Kelpie vibes.
Zlatan.
If I receive.
See, I'm killing them shot. Because I swear God, if I go killing them back. We go to win them like.
Welcome to Calgary Food War and the Battle of the Chefs taking place at the prestigious Adco Blue Flame Kitchen, Southwest Calgary. On this show, we promise to bring to your viewing pleasure delectable and mouth-watering cuisine from random and professional chefs, creative enough to delight your taste buds with sumptuous meal surprises.
Yeah, get ready to learn about a distinct dish from around the world, the different countries that cook them, the ingredients that are so distinct that make them so delicious. And if you're even lucky and you're in our audience, you'll get to taste some of those foods.
Yeah, cool. So join us as we put an end to the subtle wars between countries on who cooks a particular dish better. On this maiden edition of Calgary Food War, we want to bring you more food challenge sessions like this, taking advantage of varieties of food we hope to find exciting and worth trying out.
It's interesting to state that this food challenge, or the Calgary Food Wars as we like to term it, will grant a fast-track opportunity for non-career chefs. We believe there's always someone somewhere who needs that eureka moment on what to cook, and this event is the app for that.
Yeah. For today, the dish under contention is called Jollof Rice.
Yes. This is a special kind of rice cooked with different ingredients in tomato sauce with some other mouth-watering ingredients, and are sure to wake up your taste buds to bring back memories from the motherland.
Now, let us give you some background tricks on how to distinguish and appreciate a great jollof rice. Depending on who is cooking and how this type of meal is cooked, some details must be apparent at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Number one, the grain of rice after cooking must stand alone without sticking to each other. That means they have to be, separate.
Okay.
Now, number two, the appearance of the rice after it's cooked is reddish orange in color. That's the true nature of jollof rice. Number three, the aroma must be inviting, and you should draw one to want to sample and savor and relish every tasteful moment. Number four, I just added this extra tip. It must be palatable with my taste buds. And in a different, unique way, which I've called or I've termed jollof body.
Wow, I didn't even see that coming. But without further ado, let's take you on a culinary journey today to witness the battle between 4 West African countries, namely Congo, Ghana, Senegal, and Nigeria. Here are the contestants for the countries.
Now, we're doing this jollof war because it's a subtle war between some West African countries. I want to know who makes jollof rice better. Our contestants are here ready, and we have our timekeeper here. They have 1 hour, 10 minutes to do everything. That is to say, cooking, presentation, and the word of marks. Now, here are the rules for you contestants. You have 1 hour, 10 minutes to do your cooking. Now, what is going to determine the winning marks are the colors here. Now, these colors doesn't represent any country. All the judges have 4 sheets in front of them with different colors attached on all this. Now, the contestants will start cooking when we're going to give the go ahead. And when they start, the first 45 minutes, we expect them to do all their cooking and then take the food prepared backstage. However, if you think that if you're still cooking while it's 45 minutes, you can continue, but you only have 1 hour, 10 minutes to finish everything with the judging. So what we expect is on the dot of 45 minutes, we'll tell you 45 minutes and then take your food backstage, and then you're gonna have 5 plates each to do your food, to put your food together, and then we're going to put each color, one color per cook on the plate. For example, if Ghana is preparing or serving the plate of food, we're going to have the same color on all the 5 plates. For Nigeria or Senegal, the same goes. We're going to have the same color on the 5 plates. While the chefs are backstage, we'll bring out the food and the judges will go and give their marks. Now, this time around, you won't know whose food you're judging. So you won't have an idea whether it's cooked by Nigeria or Senegal or Congo. You're going to judge based on the specifications where we highlighted here. You're going to judge based on appearance and presentation, timing, taste, aroma, texture. So Diela, I want to give you the honor to kickstart the show, and then our timekeeper, get ready to press start.
Okay, people, if you are ready, Senegal, Nigeria, Ghana, and Congo, we are going to start now.
My name is Buki Wanda.
So which country are you from?
I'm from Nigeria, of course.
So what do you think about today's competition?
I think it's already decided. Like, Nigeria has to win this Jollof War. We're just here to just for formalities so we can end this discussion. Like, it's enough. We just want to come and claim our rights. That's all.
We should have allowed Ghana to come and judge the rest.
Minister Leila here, so let's just give her a round of applause.
Thank you so much for having me. I love all of you so much, and happy Black History Month, and I look forward to meeting all of you today. Thank you so much.
5 minutes more to get the food back. We have the first contestant. We're picking up the food for the first contestant now. The color code is blue. For the first contestant, for the majority. So, audience, kindly note that the trays where you're being served, there's a color sticker on the tray. So, note the color on the tray where you're being served. Jollof rice shots. Note the colors. We have a color code yellow,
Oh, great. Oh, awesome. Sorry. I thought that might be
Just to reiterate what she said, the winner of today's competition will be announced by our dear Honorable Minister on the 29th of February at the main festival, the Ethnic Festival of Art and Culture, taking place at the Central Library downtown. It's starting on the 27th and 28th from 2 o'clock to 8 p.m. We have different artists from all over our border that will be coming to perform, to showcase their skill. We have almost 20 communities from Caribbean and Africa that will be presenting their cultural dance or something that is unique to their culture on the stage. And we're privileged to have also the Minister of Municipal Affairs in the person of Honorable Minister K.C. Madu will be joining us on the 29th. And we have Mr. Chima Ikendirim. For all of you who don't know him, he used to be the Chief of Staff to the Mayor Nenshi, so he'll be there on the 29th. And also we have a celebrity guest artist, one who is a Canadian Hollywood actress by the name of Olunike Adeli. She'll be coming as well. And we have Canadian Queen of R&B and the person of Miss Julie Black who will be coming as well. They'll be having a segment where they're going to sit down and talk, and then the winner of this competition will be revealed. So if you have not registered to come for the festival, kindly go to eventbrite.com, Ethnik, search for Ethnik on Eventbrite and then register. It is free. Minister, what do you think about today's occasion?
I'm absolutely blown away when you see, this level of cooking and the amount of love that goes into this home cooking, because jollof, as I understand it, this is home-cooked food, food that the Afro-Canadian community eats on a regular basis, and it really is a taste of home for people, isn't it? So for those of us who got to smell these incredible smells, like I said, it's so hard to watch this and not know what the smell is to our audience, and to be able to see the level of work that was done in here today, new kitchen, new everything, beautiful. I'm so honored to be here with you.
Thank you very much. I'm here with Nikita Kalonji, one of the judges on today's competition representing Congo. So Nikita, thank you for coming once again, taking time out of a busy schedule to be here. Please tell us your thought about today's event.
I thought it was really well managed. It was great to see all the support that we got from the community, as well from our very own government, Minister of Culture and Women's Rights. It was such a blessing having her here. I really enjoyed the presentation of it all. It was fun to see them cooking, and obviously they all have to get acclimatized to this kitchen because it's not their own kitchen. As well as for us in the Congo, it's not really a dish that we do regularly. So it was really awesome to be a part of this great event to promote the next week's event. So I really was glad to be here.
On today's competition, what do you think? What are your thoughts?
It was so fun. The energy was really awesome. I thought the chefs were a lot more laid back than I thought they would be. And yeah, everything was delicious. I can't wait to find out who the winner is.
We wanted to participate. We wanted to have fun. We tried to go with the other people who presented. So hopefully people enjoyed it, enjoyed the effort, enjoy how we were able to bring the community together here.
Well, I was optimistic of the outcome because I knew that the Nigerian chef would do a fantastic job. She seems very composed, she seems very organized. As much as I wanted her to win, it was a good way that you organized it, that we didn't even know who made what. So as much as my heart was out with Nigeria, where I'm from, we didn't know who made what. So it was tricky. I'm sure she would have done a good job based on what she had, based on her composure. But we will see what the outcome will be.
Hi audience, I'm here with Mercy Sarah, the chef representing Ghana. Hi Madam Mercy, how are you?
Good, thank you, and you?
I'm good. Thank you very much for taking time to come to this competition and taking that bold step to represent Ghana. So what is your thought on today's competition?
It was really challenging, especially about the time, and then cooking for somebody sitting down and they'll be watching you, looking at it. It was a little stress. But anyway, we made it.
I enjoyed everything, and I don't like how you guys didn't tell us which rice is it. All of them are so delicious. It's really nice.
As a Nigerian, I'll tell you, Senegal might have started it, but Nigeria has perfected jollof. So we have the best. Even before the result comes out, we have the best.
I got to taste all four of it. They all had their unique features, but it was all love, and I'm really happy that I'm here.
What are your thoughts about the competition today?
Honestly, I think it's gonna be it's a fierce competition because in one hand I can say Nigeria makes the best jollof rice, but I don't want to discount my Ghanaian brothers and sisters, and also the Senegalese and the Congolese. It was a fierce competition. I cannot wait to see the results next week.
What do you think about this competition? What was going through your mind?
First of all, I'm honored to be one of the judges of this Jollof War. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I think it's a fantastic thing to do. And the fact that it's now going to be an annual thing, I'm going to always look forward to it. And I know for sure there are 2 good chefs today that blew us out of the water.
We'll know the winner next week.
Yes, we are super excited. So you want to be at the event, Ethnik Festival, on the 28th of this month, February. If you haven't done your registration yet, what are you waiting for?
About today's competition, what do you have to say?
Well, it's eye-opening, first of all, and I'm getting to realize that, okay, it's not just Nigeria that owns jollof rice. So many other countries actually cook jollof rice in different ways. Yes. That's very interesting. That's noteworthy. And I'm really glad to meet the people. I love community. I love people gathering together for, uniting and doing things together. So definitely, I've enjoyed my stay here today.
So what do you think about the food?
The food was nice. Of course, depending on where you come from, it is different flavors than different, and there's a sense of community that is so. And through food, you feel the link between those. Even I don't differentiate culture. Africa is Africa, but with different colors. So through food, you feel that. So it was nice.
Yeah. So like you said, food makes us to come together. Food it breaks barrier. Because everybody gets hungry. And when you're hungry, you want to eat. Whether it's jollof rice or fried rice or white rice. And that's the purpose of today's competition, to just bring community together, to create that sense of oneness. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you too.
We appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
And keep a good job. Thank you, sir.
Thank
you very much.
Bye-bye.
Wow. It's been an awesome cooking experience today with our brave and bold contestants from Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, and Congo. They've done a fantastic job in creating different jollof rice dishes. You may be wondering, who is the winner? Well, you gotta wait till next week to know who is the winner. You gotta come to Ethnik Festival of Art and Culture, taking place at the Central Library on the 28th and 29th of February, where the winner of this competition will be announced. You don't want to miss it. And also, I would like to use this opportunity to specially thank our sponsors and our volunteers who have taken time out of their busy schedule to be here. Number 1 on the list is Atco Bluefin Kitchen. Thank you so much, Atco, for giving us this space to use. It means a lot to us. Calgary Art Development. Thank you for standing by us and supporting inclusivity and diversity here in Calgary. Aboki Suya for giving us a wonderful suya all the way from Nigeria. Thank you very much. I want to thank Master Speaks to Me crew that has been here today to cover this event, and also IFAC 2020 team. You are an amazing set of people who work together and will pull this up together. Thank you very much. And to our official media partners, Global Radio and Global TV, thank you so much. And to my amigo host, Diela, thank you very much for coming on this show. We appreciate you so much. And I still remain your number 1 host on My City Speaks to Me, the Calgary edition, and Calgary Food War. Let's keep cooking up greatness, people. Bye for now.